Here we are at the nursery. Fraser Thimble Farms. Beautiful. 150 bucks.
This is what I want, one of these.
There's Joe.
Exactly what I want right here. Look at they got
What do you want?
Sable minor. Whoa, that's slippery.
Oh, you know.
You know what those are?
Those are nice.
They're sable minor palms.
Beautiful.
Those are native to the southeastern United States.
69 bucks.
Those are one of the most cold tolerant palms
Ah.
on the face of the earth, right there. And you know what? I might end up.
Oh, there's some variegated fatsias down there
I
too.
might end up buying one of those. No, I'm serious.
We have some.
No, not like that's a beautiful palm.
We don't have this one?
Not this big, I don't.
Oh, not this big.
No, that's sable minor. I think I might.
So are they very slow growing?
In the sun, they grow really good where we are. That's
right.
what's growing at Bob's old garden down on the beach. It's huge.
Oh.
Nice big thick trunk.
Man, look at these variegated fatsias. Beautiful. Joe's picking out a
Which
palm.
one will I get? Sable minors. Okay, which sable minor will I get?
You kind of got to pull them out and look at
You
them.
got the soil to plant it too. Get a picture of these. Those are beauties. Sable minors. Okay, that's a green. Now that's a picture.
He's
Look at
treating himself.
that. Last week a needle palm. And this
There.
week a sable minor. So that's dwarf bush pimento. The second most cold hardy palm on the face of the earth.
Ah.
First one is Rapatophyllum hystrix, which we bought last week. And now I gotta pick one out. So which is a nice? That's a nice one. Looks like it's already
Where are we going to put that one?
in the sun, full sun. Actually, that's a really nice
You know
one.
what? We could put that one up on the bank by
Huh?
the entrance into the B&B. You know
That's a
how I
beautiful
cleared
palm
up there,
right
Joe?
there.
That's a nice one. Yeah.
What bank?
Up by the, where you come into Magnolia Petal.
Yeah,
Like that flat area?
that area, I guess.
Because it gets sun.
Oh yeah, yeah. Just have to really dig it out. Good. A $5 hole for a $1 plant.
Yeah.
That's a theory. So which one am I going to
Okay,
get?
Joe's busy here. Look at
Which
those.
one am I going to get?
Beautiful.